chemical filter media that removes toxic ammonia as water passes over it. Provides a healthy environment for well-stocked freshwater aquariums. Controlling ammonia levels reduces stress on fish. For freshwater use only, for best results, replace once a month. Includes 3 180-gram nylon bags. Top reviews from the United States. Definitely a positive for aquarium fans. I have a Fluval 304 filter that I've been using with a 50-gallon freshwater tank for several years. The 304 has 4 filtration stages, the first being a coarse foam. The remaining 3 stages can be filled with products that work best for the aquarist's needs. In my case, I use charcoal, this ammonia remover, the Biomax Bio Rings, and water polishing pads. Since the trays for each stage is divided, it's possible to fit both the charcoal and the ammonia remover in the first tray. I've been using this filter in this configuration for several years, and it's worked perfectly for my needs. The ammonia remover helps to alleviate some of the toxicity caused by waste, and extends the time between water changes. I change about half of the water in the aquarium monthly and clean the filter at that time, and give the aquarium a thorough cleaning every 3 months. Each aquarium is unique to its configuration, location, and inhabitants. Some may have different experiences, but this product has played a key role in our system for quite a few years. Unintentionally, we've been breeding albino catfish. As I understand, tank conditions have to be fairly consistent for them to breed and survive. My takeaway on that is that we must be doing something right.